What's up, you guys? You're watching Life is Right, and I'm back with another video.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find one.
And as y'all can tell by the title of today's video, this is gonna be a pack and travel with me to Orlando. Today is Thursday, April 30th. It is also my parents' 21st anniversary. Anyways, yeah, it is currently 3:01, and I'm just gonna start prepping to pack and everything and just think about everything I want to bring with me. But right now, I already did my nails last night and did a head start, so now I'm gonna do my toes and just polish it the same exact color. So I got all my stuff over here. Let me show y'all. I got cotton balls so I could take off the polished colors, because I got pink on my toes right now from Easter. And then I got my Beatles gel base and top coat, and then the same color I did in the Beatles gel polish, which is 908. Yeah, 908. So that's the color I'm gonna do on my toes. I don't know if I'm showing y'all on my feet, but I'm gonna try to show y'all the color that's already on my toes. But I just have pink toes, and I'm gonna redo the colors. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so it is currently 5:10, a long time later than when I first talked to y'all, but that's just because I've been slowly but surely gathering all the clothes that I possibly want to pack up or know I'm gonna want to pack up. But I polished my toes to match my nails to fit. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how much I got packed up. Well, how much I'm about to have packed up, because I have a lot of stuff already folded to be packed up into my duffel bag. It's my little bag I use every time I travel. But yeah, I got my bathing suit. It's this little purple crisscross bathing suit. I need to fold this up. Oh, set that back over there.
I give you what you need, I know what you like. I feel it for me. Time is up to yes. I try to teach you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live what I got. I don't know why you're the one.
Well, I am currently packing my clothes into my duffel bag right now. Let me move this out the way so y'all can see. I already have some clothes in there. I put my bathing suit, my shorts. Bentley, go lay down. Bye. Anyways, but yeah. Now I'm gonna pack like these jean shorts. I got 3 different pairs of jean shorts to bring in. Ooh, I'll pack that in here. These are my other 2 pairs. The thing I like about this duffel bag is it has a lot of compartments. It has a shoe compartment and then a bunch of side little pockets and stuff. I was recording for so long and I forgot because my cousin called me. Okay, awkward. Anyways, but yeah, I'm packing everything in here. I got 3 pairs of jean shorts, some other shorts, my bathing suit, and a little part. I'm trying to stack stuff up together so it'll be like more room. T-shirt for when we go out. Some shorts to sleep in. We got 2 different color tank tops. I might try to wash this one to bring too. Shorts. Some black shorts. my Ed Hardy shorts. I know y'all probably like, this is a lot of shorts, but hey, you never know how much you're gonna end up needing. What is this? Oh, this is my Nike Pro shorts, because you know, when I go get in the water, I'm gonna have shorts over my bathing suit. Like, okay, this is a sleeping shirt. It's a set, but the shorts are in the dryer right now. Okay, and then I got socks that I need to put in there, and all my underwear and stuff. I got extra bra. I need to grab my other bras, but bra, a shirt to sleep in. This is a sleeping shirt, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of underwear. So we're gonna put this in there. I'm gonna put this in the side pocket though. We'll put the underwear over in this side pocket.
Join me out of my mind. You don't need no other one.
My sleeping shirt. See, like it's already packed. I'm trying to think. I don't even have that many shirts in here. I'm gonna have to look up for y'all and actually pair out my outfits. Yeah, so I ended up getting everything packed. I ended up having to take some stuff out of the bag. I removed a pair of jean shorts and like 2 pairs of regular shorts, I think. 2 or 3 pairs. In the bag, we have everything. I have like 3 outfits to sleep in, an outfit to change in. I just made sure every pair of shorts had a shirt to go to, basically. But yes. And this, what's over here? I have a pocket that has nothing in it, and this side pocket is all my underwear. In this front pocket, I have socks, and I'm gonna put like my toiletries there, so rag, toothbrush, all that type of stuff. But yeah, this is all packed. Once my other stuff in the dryer is done drying, I'll see if there's anything in there I might need. But yeah, and then I'm also gonna stick these slides into the bottom shoe compartment. This side, and just open it up and then stick the shoes in. So we're gonna stick this under, and this compartment just goes under all the clothes. There we go. It went straight in. Perfect. And then I'm gonna bring my Marc Jacobs tote bag and pack different stuff in there, and that bag is gonna stay in the car with me. Yo, so I'm gonna use this little bag to hold my like skincare stuff in. I don't know if I'm gonna bring any makeup. This is where my other lip liner went, bro. Are you kidding me? Yes, okay, period. So I'm gonna bring this and my lip liner because I didn't know I had this. Okay. I'm trying to see what makeup is in here because I don't always wear makeup. So this is mascara. Look at brightness. do a little makeup. This basically what's in my makeup bag. We got makeup brush, lip liner, mascara, a powder puff, a beauty blender. This is a Glow Recipe moisturizer, but that's about empty. Oh, this is my e.l.f. camo concealer. I have no idea what the shade is, but yeah, I forgot I had this. We could probably bring this too. This is a concealer I don't really use, but we'll bring it just in case. A little lip gloss. I'm not gonna bring that. What is this? This is another moisturizer, I believe. Laneige Water Blank. Yeah, this is another moisturizer I have. I'm gonna bring this one because this one has more in it versus the Glow Recipe. This is more makeup. I don't need any strong makeup like this. I might bring that. My primer. This is a Laneige lip sleeping mask. I don't need this. I don't even know why that's in there. And then this is the eye serum. I don't really need that. So yeah, we're gonna keep this little stuff in here. We'll put my beauty blender, my makeup brush, my primer. We'll bring these 3 things for makeup. I don't think I'm gonna wear mascara. I'm not gonna bring that. I'm gonna bring some pimple patches because I have a pimple coming up. So yeah. It's the last one in the box. It comes with like multiple in it. I'm trying to find other stuff I need. Lotion, edge brush. I think that might be all in there. I am gonna bring perfume, deodorant, sun cream. I'm gonna bring, let me grab my skincare because getting in the pool and stuff will definitely dry your face out. I'm gonna put this stuff in here. I have so much already. Okay, perfect. This is my skincare slash makeup bag. I forgot to slide these in, but it's okay. This is the bag I'm taking on the road with me. I'm gonna put my skincare stuff in here, pimple patches, both my moisturizers, deodorant, perfume, excellent. I'm gonna also clean up my Octa Buddy so it'll stick again, and I'm gonna bring this too. So I'm gonna leave these 2 things up here. Put my edge brush in, and then there's just some other little stuff that I'm gonna put in there probably tomorrow before we leave. But yeah, I basically have most of all my packing done because all my clothes are packed up. I do have some clean clothes that I just got off the dryer. The only thing I still need to pack up is my towel. That's gonna get packed up after I shower. Let's bring these clothes over here. My black tank top, I might bring that. This is the shorts to the set I have. Here's these shorts. I'm trying to debate if I want to bring them. They're really good shorts. I might swap these out with a different pair of shorts. We'll see. And fold this up. Fold this up. I don't think I'm gonna bring this tank top. We'll see. I might end up swapping it out from one of the other tank tops. But yeah. Good morning, guys. I just woke up not too long ago. 7:18, like I just showed y'all, and I basically have my whole bag packed with all my clothes and stuff. Or at least I should have everything I need. I just put my toothbrush and my tongue scraper in there, along with my rag, because I showered last night, and then I just brushed my teeth this morning. So yeah, I think I have everything in there I need for the most part. Again, this is my little bag I'm gonna have in the car with me, and I have my skincare in it, 2 different moisturizers, my deodorant, my moisturizer for my eczema, some perfume, an edge brush, which I might not even need this edge brush, to be honest. My wallet, my nail glue, lip gloss, and I'm just gonna add a few things. I got my iPad charging because I downloaded season 3 of Ginny in Georgia, and then I downloaded like Goosebumps, another movie, and then another series, just in case I lose signal while we're riding. These are my little headphones I'm gonna bring with me. And I still take my octopus with me. And I think I have lighters. Never know if you might need them. Yeah, I got the last charger that's charging on my iPad. So once my iPad is done charging, I'll grab the charger. But I'm basically all packed now. So I'll see y'all once we're leaving. This is my road trip fit. Just this and some black shorts. But yeah, bye y'all. Hey y'all, so I forgot my camera in the car, but we're in Walmart. My sister needed to get swimming trunks, and then I got another PJ set, so I'm gonna swap that out once we get back home. Some caramel rice cake. Why couldn't they have different flavors? They only got these 2. Excuse me. We'll try them today. Wait, can I get this? Oh. I'm gonna try these. Back this way. But yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all once we're paid. Just got back home. We put all the groceries inside. I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Walmart. I got this little set. Very cute. It's just a tank top and then matching shorts. But this is cute. I'm gonna swap this out for something in my bag. One of the sleeping outfits I already have.
You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Say I'm really mess up my mind, and I'm really make you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life.
Yeah, put that one first. No.
This one.
This one?
That should be able to go on the side. Put that on the side.
perfectly fits. Okay guys, let's go fix my chips. Ooh, the lighting need to click in. There we go. I'm just gonna, my sister got some chips that I'm guessing she's gonna bring with her, but Mimi will be back. I'm gonna miss you. My baby. I'm leaving my baby for the first time, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna get some Cheetos. Mimi, don't go outside. What the world? Mimi, get inside. I'm ready for a little trip. And then I get to bring you guys with me. Just some hair. I have so much in this little bag right now. This tote bag is so heavy. But I need to fix it with my iPad to go into it. There we go. My chips need a little more. Going to go on top. I think that's everything. My camera bag is at the bottom of this bag. And then I got a blanket to bring in the car, and I might bring a pillow too. We're leaving, guys. Ugh. Let's get in, guys. Ugh. I got my little blanket to cover myself. Ooh. And our snacks. I don't know why you got on all black. I was wondering that. You is what I need. Yes, because I feel tired, so we're gonna crack in a line.
You've heard the bangers. Now let's dive deeper.
Yay! This camera is against me right now. We just made it to the hotel and we have to check it. Oh my gosh, that is cute. I seen online the movie they're playing tonight is Utopia, but it started at 6 o'clock. Dang, is that what you gotta stand through? Oh my gosh. This looks nice though. I have to stretch my legs, guys, because it hurts so bad. Oh, that's where the arcade is. It's an arcade, y'all. Here, they also have a movie theater here. I want to go to an arcade. But yeah, y'all, like I was saying, this hotel is pretty nice. Like, it's very big. Over here, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it says movie theater. They're playing Zootopia in there, and it's free. I wonder what else they're gonna be playing while we're here, but they have over like 14 pools, 14 hot tubs, like, and they're heated pools at that. I can't wait to see what our room looks like. They also have an arcade. I wonder what that looks like and how much it costs. And they have like a little water park too. But yeah. So I'm gonna get to y'all once we probably check in.
Like a little coaster. They go won't take it. I understand. We're all gonna take that back.
5:13. Ooh, let's see how it looks, guys. My camera's on 23%. Ooh. Oh. Oh, this is cute. Oh. Where's the light? Oh. Okay, period. The shower. This is nice. Look at the balcony. Ooh. Oh my God. We need to get in this. Okay, shower. Wait, this is tea. And then the balcony, y'all. Ooh. This is cute. Oh, we have a view of the pool. I'm dead. Sorry. Yeah. Now the water park, I saw it when we was coming here. We passed the water park when we was coming here. This is nice, y'all. How many?
How many come in there?
12. That's good? Alright. Secured the water. Water, eggs. Now we need foil. Okay, y'all. We're at Go to Crowd. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but if y'all can't, just bear with me. I just got my food. I got bread, mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, bourbon street chicken. Huh? This is so weird. Let's give a taste test. Let's pray first. We're gonna put some salt and pepper. So what? Anyways, but my mom is running the jacuzzi tub in her bathroom, and we both want to get in. But I'm gonna change into some different shorts. I'm gonna change it to my Nike Pro shorts. And then I'm gonna wear this pajama set after the show.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous.
Hey guys, so I realized I never made an outro for this video. As you guys can see, I am back home in my normal space, but if you guys enjoyed the video and would like to see more like that, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you comment down below, like, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post another video. And I'll see y'all in the next one.